Hi guys, today I will show you another accessory that I purchased for my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This one is the small tripod. Normally there's an original DJI tripod, but this one is just a replacement. But let's see if it will work well. Okay, you can open this one just like this. So with the rubber material at the bottom and all plastic. So let's try this. So the size is quite good, just perfect for this camera. So I think about similar to the original one. Let's then try it. So basically just work like this. Looks really cool as well. Okay, so that's it. Just a simple tripod for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And also, this is also a nice extension. So you can just fold it like this. Then you have a longer, how do you call it? Longer handle for the camera. Okay, so just put it down like this. Okay, so that's it. This is another nice accessory for this camera. Thank you for watching.